Hello everyone and welcome to this video guys. In this video, I'll be telling you how to make your LinkedIn profile for data analyst profession, and this is mainly for freshers. Again, if you guys are from data analyst and good and well, also people who are not from data analyst profession, even those people can follow the steps. So before starting this video, I have a one request for you guys. Only if you have 10 to 15 minutes of your time, only then watch this video guys, because I'll be explaining everything from detail point of view, and I request you to keep your laptop and mobile with you while I'm doing this process. So first thing first, let's get started. So first thing what I have done is I have logged in from my Gmail account. So basically this is how it will look before once you log in into your Gmail account, because it will be very blank. The first thing what we have to do is you have to go and click on this button. Write your name. My name is Akash. Then write NAIK9. It's your surname. Then here, if you are a male, then you have to type he, him. If you are a female, then she or her. I'll do he and him. Then about your headline. So I'll tell you best headline what I'll be putting. Never put headline as job seeker looking for job opportunity at data analytics. Never, guys. Always make sure that you put a proper headline. So you can copy this headlines, or also you can use the same headlines what I'm using. That is aspiring data analyst with proficiency in SQL, Python, and data visualization. So in this headline, I'm covering everything of basics of data analyst, right? So once you complete over here, you can just mention the industry, what exactly you're looking. So you can mention it as data infrastructure and analytics. Then your location, India, then Bengaluru. My location is Bangalore, India. And then just click on save, right? So once you're done with that, let me add my profile picture also, because that is most important, guys. Always make sure that your profile picture is professional, because that is very important, because the HR recruiters, people from industry will be looking at your profile. So always make sure that you put a professional picture. So I have a professional picture. I'll show you how it looks. I have made it purely on AI basis. Also, you can do it. You can do the modification. So this is the picture what I have made it. So this is how it looks, because it's a sample. So no worries. Okay, I'll slightly zoom out. Yeah, yeah. So I added my profile picture. This is how it looks. But guys, for you, always make sure that you use a professional picture, guys, because that is most important thing. And then also make sure you put a banner also, because it puts a lot of engagement in your profile overall. So make sure that you put a banner. Also, all these pictures you'll get it online, and let me know if you want help in this. Also, I'll always be ready to help you guys. Then click on apply. So once you click on apply, so these things will get reflected on your profile. So you can see, something have changed, right? It really looks appealing, right? Where here you can see that, you are very, logical thinker, thinks about data analytics, how to process the things and all. And here, if you see the profile picture also, it looks very professional and it looks very appealing, where people can, reach out to you, all right? Okay, once that is completed, let me head towards summary of my profile. Again, just don't mention that, I'm very good at this. I have, won school certification. I was the first winner at school competition or something. Guys, please don't mention this. I'll give you the proper summary, what you have to mention. It's over here. So that's a profile summary. And I just copied. Also, you can copy my summary also. It's completely fine, guys. So I have to just mention I'm a detail-oriented, aspiring data analyst, passionate about leveraging data to data insights, skilled in Python, SQL, and Tableau. I'm constantly learning and applying data science techniques to real-world problems to personal projects. Done, and just click it on save. So once that is done, then we'll head to the education part and other things also. Because we are a new, so we don't have an experience, so you can leave experience as a blank, because this is mainly for the freshers, how to make your LinkedIn account. So first thing first, okay, I'll write my education as Amity University, right? And what I have done is it's masters in business administrations. It's in human resource and analytics. Is there? Just give me a second. Sorry for the error. Human resource, human resource development. Okay. So starting month, whenever it was started in April. I'll mention it as 2022 and 22, 23, 24. So it got ended by 2024, right? So if you see, if you have good grades, then definitely go ahead and mention. I'll mention it as 80.83. So this is like, again, it's up to you guys. You can mention any activities and what all things you have done. And description is very much important, guys. So let me mention the description also. Okay, that's my description over here. It's a dedicated HR professional with MBA from MIT University, specializes in human resource management and everything. So once you clear, you can, like for example, I'll mention project management. Uh, then I can mention skill like human resource management, human, res- human resource development, right? You can, I'll always tell you to mention at least 5 skills. That is always recommended. After that, in this media, what you have to add is your certification, your degree certificate. Okay. So then click on save and it will get saved. So once you're done with that, you have other education also, right? So next, what we'll mention is a bachelor's degree that I have done it from Srinivas University. Okay, Srinivas Institute, Mangaluru, and that was in bachelor's degree in business management, field of study, human resources. Right, why the spelling is always coming in. Okay, then the start date you have to mention it as I'll mention it as June. Started in year 2019. Ended in April. I'm just mentioning it randomly, guys, so it will mention accordingly. 2022. Then grade I got was 80. And activities, you can always mention if you are good at activities. I was not that good at activities, so I'm skipping, but definitely, guys, go ahead and mention like what all activities you have done. And always make sure that you mention description also. That's my description for BBA from Srinivas University. And always mention skills like human resource management and event management, event planning, and I always prefer you guys to mention at least 5 skills. Then add your degree certificate, guys, over here. If you don't have, it's completely fine. But if you have it, then definitely go ahead and add it. So I'm done with that. So for the school also, you have to mention the same thing. Yeah, if you have done your 10th standard, then your 11th and 12th standard, it's the same process. And always make sure what you mentioned, it's a process is same. Always make sure what description, like exactly what you learned, for example, in your school and everything, that you can mention in the description. That's it. Okay, once that is done, because I know I am from human resources, but I do have skills into a data analyst also. So I'll make sure that I mention skills related to data analytics. So these are the basic skills required in data analytics. So I'll copy it and paste it over here because that's very important, guys. So I have to one by one, I think so. Yeah, Python. Okay, finally, I have added all the skills which are required for to become a data analyst. So once this is done, then you have to head over to projects. So these are very much important, guys. If you don't have any experience, then project plays very important role in your profile. So what I'll do is I'll head over here, add profile section, then I'll come down. One second, I'll add projects. Okay, over here. So you're supposed to add projects. So I have done one project that is related to the sales and everything. So the project name is Sales Data Analytics and Visualization. It's over here. As a description is very important, so make sure that you write a proper description over here. So that's my description for the project. So throughout this project, what exactly you have learned? So I have learned about data management, I can say data analysis I have done. That is a one skill. Okay, started. So I completed this project within like 1 month. So I'll mention it like I started in August 2024 and end date was September 2024. Yeah. So associated with, so either you can mention any university, otherwise you can just leave it blank because there are two projects there. One, you have to do it from your college side, otherwise any project what you are doing from a personal side. So I'll just mention that it's a personal project and click on save. And now you have mentioned your project also. So all these things will come in your the sections. So over here you can see like what all projects you have done, your education, your projects and everything. Okay, then you have to come to this section over add profile section and you have to click on get started. First thing is you have to upload your resume over here. That's very much important. So you go to the browse file. I have my own resume which is clearly aligned to data analyst. So I'll upload my resume over here. So that's my resume. Okay, I'll upload my resume over here and it's getting updated. So make sure that the resume is in your PDF form and that's the resume. Then click on upload. It's getting updated. This takes around 60 seconds. Feel free to visit our profile later to review the draft. Okay, so it's taking 60 seconds to review the things. Guys, also I wanted to tell you everything what I have done, like the description and everything, writing of those things, headline, all those things I have taken it from ChatGPT, guys. It's a very friendly tool. भाई कुछ भी पूछ लो ना कर देता है भाई. So it's a very nice tool, guys. So definitely, whatever, if you want to make any changes and to add up and down and do something, anything extra, then definitely go ahead and check out ChatGPT, guys. You can definitely make things accordingly. So these people have taken my experience, after uploading my resume. So I'll just untick this because this whole video is freshers for the freshers. So I'll just untick these things. Then, okay, they will pick up the education also. So I'll untick these things and let them pick up my schooling. So these are the basic skills or all things. So I'll tell you how these people have taken out the skill. So what they do is the moment we upload the resume, so they have a software called where they take out few things out of that. So these were the skills which were related to data analysts like business management, communications, digital marketing, and what all languages I know and everything. So I'll just untick this few things because Kannada language is not a skill because sometimes yeah makes mistakes also. So yeah, geopolitics is not a skill. Commerce, business intelligence, and reporting, as a success factor. Training card teaching is not a skill. I mean, not related to data analyst. What is the Pokiyoko? Oh my god. Okay, AI makes some mistakes, so you have to just check it over. And yeah, add to my profile. And back to your profile, guys. Okay, so till now, everything is done. I have mentioned about myself. I don't have an experience. So also I will tell you how to put the experience, volunteer experience also. So these are all the things. So if you see my skills, so there are around 21 skills over here, which is corely related to data analyst. I uploaded my resume. Now the first thing what you have to do is go to the search bar and search for data analyst people. Let's get started. So you have to click over data analyst. Then first click on people who are from the background of data analyst. So start following all these people, guys, because these are corely related to your, field. So you can go to the companies which are related to data analyst. For example, these are few of the companies which are truly related to data analyst. Start following these people. So I'll tell you one of the magic what you can do is, for example, if I take this lady, so see, there are two things. If you are not a premium membership of LinkedIn, then it's completely fine. But in a month, you can text 5 people, guys. See, there are two methods. One is you can send a request, click on connect, Or the other method is like instantly you are looking for something, then click on connect and add on the note and just type, my name is so and so. I'm a fresher. I'm looking for, job into data, job or internship into data analyst. Could you please refer my profile? And just click on send, and people will respond to you guys. You can use this methodology also. Okay, there are a few other things what we have to update in your profile. So let's click on update profile. Are you currently a student? Yes, I am a student. Let's add a skill. So I have research skill, analytical skills, then continue. Country, Bangalore, done. Let's confirm our location. Add connections. Search for the people of data analyst. And just click on connect. Send without note. You send your first connection, guys, and that's a sound from LinkedIn. So this is how it works. Okay, now coming to the important part, because you are a fresher, you won't get opportunities directly. So what you have to do is number one thing is follow people, uh, connect with the people, start following companies which you are interested to work in. Apart from that, start making posts related to data analytics, guys. For example, you can write a post related to data analytics, what exactly the field is. Otherwise, write something related to data analytics, like, I had done this project and I come to the conclusion, I have seen this is how it works, and there are a few things like this and that. So these things you can start on LinkedIn because you are a fresher. So first thing, what will happen once you post this, you'll get attention from people, and that is the one of the important factor, guys, to get into jobs. Okay, coming to the experience part, what exactly I can do is into the experience thing. I can mention as employment as self-employed, and I was working as data analyst. Then company name you can leave as a blank. Location it was in India. Then location type it was remote. So I'll tell you what exactly I had done. So I'll just mention the description over here and what exactly things I had done. I'll write the description over here. Okay, that's my description over here, what I have written related to my freelancing work. So majorly it captures everything exactly what tools I use and how I have done those things. So you can just mention the start date, like, I started it from August and it's in 2000, don't have any, end date. So I'm into those things and I can just click on save. So congratulations, guys. You have also, you can go ahead and, just post this picture also. That is most important, guys, that I'm happy to share I'm starting to analysis self-employed, and just post it because people will recognize you guys and people will start commenting, okay, all the best for this new position what you're doing. That's very much important, guys. So now I'll check my profile. I'll show you my profile how it looks now. Okay, this is how my profile looks now. My name is Akash Naik. My headline is Aspiring Data Analyst. I have my latest education that is from Amity University. Then this is something about myself, profile summary. I'm oriented data analyst, passionate, and blah blah blah. And first, I have opened my job as a self-employed, where I'm working on data analyst position. And this is my education related things. Then what are projects I have done, what are skills I have. Then, guys, apart from that, there is another thing in LinkedIn, that is endorsement. And always make sure that if you're into your college or you're just passed out of your college, take endorsement from your professors. That is most important thing. That I'll show you how to do it. Okay, I just made the new profile, so you need connections so that unless and until you don't get connection acceptance, then you'll not be able to ask recommendation. But I'll show you my personal profile how I do it. So as of now, I've got 6 recommendations. So I have to just click on plus, ask for the recommendation. Then, for example, I'll search anyone. I'll just search one of my friend. Okay, I'll search for him. Then click on continue and type what is your relationship with him. You can tick any of that in your client anything, whatever it is, human resource interns, where did I work with him here? Then just click on send and he'll give you recommendation, guys. I'll show you what recommendations I have got from everyone. So here are the few of the recommendations. I have got total 6 recommendations. I'll do 1, 2, 3. He's my professor, and these all are my professor who give me recommendations. So always make sure, guys, take recommendation from your professor. That is most important thing. Okay, guys, there is another important thing what you have to add is that is your course and certification. So what you have to do is you have to click on add profile section and click on this recommended, then click on this add license and certification. So I'll add my course which I've done from Google. So issuing organization is Coursera. Coursera, month of issued, I'll mention whatever it is. I'll just mention is credentials. So what you have to do is you have to add this. You can leave it blank. If you're interested, you can add. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. But make sure that you add the media, add the picture of that certificate, and just click on save. Yeah, and that will reflect over here. So there are, I mean, that's not the limitation. You can add a few more courses also in this license and certification thing. Okay, guys, this is how our LinkedIn profile looks for a fresher who are into data analyst or people who are not into data analyst also but want to make their LinkedIn profile. This is a basic thing of LinkedIn, guys. This is how it functions. All everything you have to mention it like this. And people who want to make their LinkedIn account or want help from me, please do reach out to me on LinkedIn or WhatsApp. I'll definitely get in touch with you and help you out you how to make your LinkedIn profile, guys. Till then, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Till then, thank you. Bye.